Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're live here from Government Mbeki Darts Association. This is in Sasolburg, or Sasol Secunda. We are here with the Development Day here and with the President God. Good morning and thank you for inviting me. Please tell us what's happening down here today.
Morning everybody, thanks Stephen, thanks for coming through. Welcome to Government Mbeki Darts Association. We're based here in Secunda in Mpumalanga. So today we've got a Mpumalanga Development Darts Day. We encourage and we invited everybody that's new to darts or that has an interest in darts in our area to come in, come and enjoy the day with us, come and learn about our sport and come and have some fun with us.
All right. What is the program like? What you talk about Development Day? People play for the first time. What is the format? How will you pair up with new players, experienced players?
Okay, yes. So what we have is we've got some experienced players with us. So we want to integrate the new guys that's learning, that wants to learn. We integrate them with some of the experienced players to teach them how the game works, scoring, counting, combinations, just to make it easier for them and a better understanding with the newer guys.
Okay, and then you mentioned that you guys put up posters inviting people in the community. What type of promotion did you do in the community?
Yes, we sent out a lot of information via Facebook, via our WhatsApp channels to companies in the area, people that have reached out and asked about darts. We messaged them directly, inviting them today to come and enjoy the day.
Schools? Any schools that you invited?
Yes, we reached out to some of the schools around. We're hopeful that they'll come. We know the school calendar is also very busy.
Yeah.
We reached out to the municipalities as well, for municipality employees also to come through. So we're trying our best.
Okay, no, that's good, man. And thank you very much it's a great initiative by inviting people from the community to come and play darts, introduce them, and at the end of the day, we want to make the circle bigger, having more darts. I see here some people of the municipality. Hey guys, good morning. Morning. Please come here, come to the camera. Come to the camera. Don't be shy. Let me take the camera to them. Yeah. All right. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? All right. Let me put you that side. I see the sun is a little bit too much there. Please quickly tell us who you are and from where you are.
I'm Sebo Sheila from Steve Tshwete Local Municipality. I'm Happy Mustafa from Steve Tshwete Local Municipality.
My name is Rajma Sina from Steve Tshwete Local Municipality.
Alright guys, I see you from the municipality. So, are you playing darts at the municipality?
Yes.
And how big is your team there at the municipality?
We are around 9.
Around 9?
Yeah.
Okay, and then where do you play? What is your program like when you play as the municipality?
We normally practice on Tuesdays, and on Thursdays there's a place at near fire station where we play with another set of people. Yeah. Okay, and then how did you end up here today? We got invited by Thelma, so we just said we must just accept the invitation and see what you guys will be offering us. Maybe we'll learn something new techniques, new calculations. We don't know.
Yeah.
All right. You are here to learn. Yeah. But now I want to welcome you, and you're playing at the municipality, but I would like you to invite you into the family of Darts South Africa. As I've explained to you, before this, did you you know about Darts South Africa? You know Darts South Africa is the controlling body responsible for darts in our country. A member of SESCOC, follow the rules and regulations, but of course Darts South Africa creating playing opportunities. And we want an all-inclusive sport. We don't exclude anybody, race, gender, creed, anybody is welcome. And I hope with this is not the first time that we're going to see you guys. You will be more involved. There's municipality games I know you guys play, and we would like to get onto that platform to invite other municipalities to become part of the sport of Darts South Africa, that you can also the benefits, as I've explained, to take the darts further and not just stay in the municipality space. But have fun today, ask questions when you want to know, when you're not sure. Like I said, I'm here from Darts South Africa. Wilma is the Mpumalanga Development Officer. We've got your team. So Wilma, well done and inviting everybody. Can you tell us what is from your side as the development officer, what's happening also today?
It's just to develop the sport and to have fun. What I want to say about the municipality from Steve Tweedy, there's also another municipality, the Ngala municipality is also playing in Middelburg. So it's not just Steve Tweedy, it's the Ngala municipality also playing in Middelburg. So for the next development open that we're going to have, it's also going to be in Ngala. We're not sure which venue we're going to use. So I'm also going to invite them again to come and play. And then I'm going to start with Care Village in Middelburg. I'm meeting with them on Tuesday. I'm going to put on 2 boards to start developing at Care Village. For the juniors as well. Like I told you the other day, we need the juniors as well and the ladies. We want ladies to play as well. And then, like I said, you have this other player. So, very nice with that player in as well.
All right, no, thank you very much. We will chat, of course, during the day. I will take pictures. Don't mind me. I'll take pictures and videos. This is how we promote the sport. But ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are. We're down here at Sasol in Secunda. Those of you who's interested to come and join, we are at the Sasol Recreation Club for the day. If you're in the area, please come and feel free to join us. From our youth to ladies, seniors, anybody who's interested in playing, please come and join us for the day. A nice development day here in Sasol. Of course, this is supported by Dart South Africa as Government Mbeki affiliated member of Dart South Africa. I will keep you posted on what's happening and how we progress during the day.